Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today we're diving into the world of the Asian Golden Clam, which is a freshwater bivalve native to East and Southeast Asia. It's also known as the Asian clam or prosperity clam and has been widely introduced to rivers, lakes, and reservoirs around the world. The shell of the species is triangular to an oval in shape with pronounced concentric ridges. The color is typically yellow gold to light brown, though darker variations exist. Shell length commonly ranges between 2 and 5 centimeters, with some individuals reaching up to 6 centimeters. The Asian golden clam inhabits freshwater environments with sandy or muddy substrates. It prefers shallow areas with moderate to fast currents, but can tolerate still waters as well. It is highly adaptable and capable of surviving in a wide range of temperatures, from cool temperate streams to warm tropical waters. This clam is a filter feeder. It draws in water through its in-current siphon, filtering out phytoplankton, bacteria, and organic particles before expelling clean water. By processing large volumes of water, this clam can influence nutrient cycling and water clarity in their environments. Reproduction in this species is unusual. Many populations are hermaphroditic and reproduce through self-fertilization, allowing rapid colonization. Females brood larvae internally before releasing them into the water as juveniles rather than free-swimming larvae. This life history strategy increases survival rates and enables the clam to spread quickly. Growth is rapid compared to many native bivalves. Individuals reach maturity within a few months and may live up to 7 years under favorable conditions. Because of its high reproductive output and short generation time, the species often forms dense colonies. Outside of its native range, the Asian golden clam is considered invasive. It was introduced to North America in the 1930s and has since spread widely across the continent. It is also established in South America and parts of Europe. Dense populations can clog irrigation pipes, water intake systems, and power plant facilities, creating economic impacts. Ecologically, Asian golden clam can outcompete native freshwater mussels and clams by monopolizing space and resources. However, in some regions, it has become an important food source for fish, birds, altering local food webs. In its native range, the Asian golden clam is harvested for human consumption and is used in traditional dishes and soups. It is also valued in aquaculture and sold in the ornamental trade, where its golden shells are seen as symbols of prosperity. Species' global distribution and adaptability highlight both its economic uses and its ecological risks. While it contributes to food and culture in Asia, its invasive populations present ongoing management challenges elsewhere. And that wraps up today's species profile. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.